Meet a business owner standing at a crossroads. Too many paths, no clear direction. Effort is high, but leads don't convert and customers don't stay. That's when Axiever enters. Because when systems take control, business owners finally can. One connected ecosystem, everything working together. And when CRM is chosen, everything becomes clear. Every lead tracked, every customer understood, every follow-up automated. Axiever's Customer Module brings everything into one place. Customer data, conversations, and feedback, so your team always works with clarity. Customer Master. Get a complete 360-degree view of every customer. All key details, logistics, payment terms, and addresses are stored once and reused across inventory, orders, and finance. No re-entry, no errors, just clean, connected data. Update, manage, import, or export customers anytime, saving hours of manual work. Axiever CRM gives your sales team full visibility into leads, follow-ups, and conversations. Every interaction is tracked. Every follow-up is prioritized. Mass emails, scheduled communication, and sales activity tracking, all in one flow. This helps turn inquiries into customers and customers into long-term relationships. Customer Survey. Understand what your customers really think. Create surveys, share them easily, and analyze feedback in real time. Improve satisfaction, predict trends, and make smarter decisions to grow faster. Together, the Customer Master, CRM, and Customer Survey create a single system that helps your business convert better, retain longer, and grow smarter. Stronger relationships, better conversions, real return on investment. This is how Axiever CRM changes the way businesses grow. Axiever, clarity today, growth tomorrow.